Hey everybody, it's David back with Forge Your Life, where we earn more, owe less, and live better. If you're anything like I was, you know what it feels like to want a better life, but not always know where to start. Money stress, debt, juggling side hustles, trying to build a future you can actually be proud of. Yeah, I've been there. I built this channel because one day I realized something. You don't build a better life by accident, you forge it. One choice, one habit, and one decision at a time. I grew up hearing old school wisdom from guys like my grandpa. He'd sit on that rocking chair, squint his eyes at me over his glasses and say, "Boy, the world don't change until you do." And he was right. So I use a lot of his wisdom in my videos. And Baruch, the little fella from our short stories, well, he reminds us how to get back up after life knocks us flat on our butt. And Dave's basically all of us, trying to balance life, money, mindset, and momentum without losing our minds in the process. These characters show up here because they're part of the real journey, your journey. We all need a reminder, a laugh, and sometimes just a nudge in the right direction. On this channel, you're going to find practical videos that actually help. Things like how to build a budget that makes sense, paying off debt faster, start side hustles that actually work, develop the mindset to stay consistent, and take on weekly challenges with a supportive community. Along the way, we'll throw in a little humor, a little wisdom, and a whole lot of real life experience. Now while you're here, make sure you grab your free Forge Your Life budget tracker. It's linked at the top of the description. It's the same tool I use to stay on track every month, and it will do the same thing for you. If anything here ever helps you, motivates you, or gets you moving, you can support the channel through Buy Me a Coffee. Totally optional, but always appreciated. So now, if you're ready to start forging your life with purpose, hit that subscribe button. Jump into a weekly challenge and introduce yourself in the comments. Tell me where you're watching from and what you're working towards, because this channel isn't just videos, it's a community. Welcome to Forge Your Life. Now let's forge the future you want, one step at a time.